We will show the outer box packaging of the bicycle. Next, we will unbox it and display the bicycle and accessories inside. Remove the cardboard securing the bike, the toolkit, and the foam from the box. Lift the bicycle out of the box. Then cut the straps securing the front wheel and remove the protective cover from the brake disc. Then, cut and remove the foam and straps wrapped around the bike body. Below, we will showcase the tools and accessories needed for the bicycle one by one. Now, let's proceed with the formal assembly of the bicycle. 1. Installing the handlebars. First, use a tool to loosen the screws on the clamp cover securing the handlebars and remove it. Then, position the handlebars in the correct place and reattach the clamp cover, tightening the screws to secure the handlebars. Two. Installing the front wheel. First, remove the screws on both sides of the fork that hold the front wheel. Take out the spacer between the brake pads, and then loosen the screw that stabilizes the fork. Next, remove the screws and black metal plates from both sides of the wheel. Insert the white washers first. Note: the raised part of the washers should face downward. Now, place the front wheel into the fork according to the directional arrow on the tire. Important: the white washers on both sides must snap into the dedicated slots on the fork. With the wheel in position, install the black washers and nuts on both sides, and tighten them securely with your tool. Warning: front wheel installation. 1. Ensure axle is fully seated and safety hooks engage fork dropouts. 2. Tighten all nuts or bolts securely with the provided wrench. Improper installation can cause the wheel to detach, leading to loss of control, serious injury, or death. If unsure, consult a bike mechanic. Finally, connect the power cable for the front wheel motor, and use a zip tie to secure the wiring neatly to the fork. Three. Installing the front fender. First, use a tool to remove the screws securing the fender. Then, position the fender correctly and reattach the screws, tightening them securely. Next, remove the screws on both sides of the fender bracket. Finally, fix the fender brackets onto the front fork and tighten them with screws. Four. Installing the headlight. First, remove the screws on both sides of the headlight bracket. Then, fix the headlight onto the bracket. making sure the washers on both sides are placed against the headlight. Finally, use the appropriate tool to tighten the screws and plug in the wire behind the headlight. Five. Installing the pedals. First, distinguish between the left and right pedals. The left pedal is marked with an L, and the crank arm also has a corresponding marking. Screw the pedal onto the crank arm, in the direction indicated by the marking. The right pedal is installed in the same way. Finally, use a tool to tighten the pedals securely. 6. Installing the front basket. First, remove the screws securing the basket from the frame. Then, position the basket correctly on the frame, and reattach the screws, tightening them securely. Seven. Installing the front reflector. First, remove the screw from the reflector. Then, attach the reflector to the handlebars, and secure it by tightening the screw. With these steps, the bicycle is fully assembled.